So we've got this little ground wire here, which is right by the wires that come down and connect to the horn. So we got this little ground wire here we gotta take off. Right there. There we go. So we can put that back in there now. This is really crinkled up in here. The beam is really crumpled in this area. So it did crumple. It crumpled, but not enough. Alright, so now that ground wire for the horn is disconnected or whatever. This wire comes down on here. This connects to the horn. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the horn wires. Boop. Boop. They've got a thing underneath there. I'll disconnect those and we'll be done with disconnecting the horn.